Hi friends, this is Pallavi Mohan and today's topic is another biology topic, incomplete dominance. We will be doing theory followed by a demonstration which would be given by Dr. Aruna Mohan, retired professor, Delhi University. Children, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel because you will be getting more such videos and definitely it covers your NCERT syllabus, CBSE and this one is chapter 12, chapter 5, class 12. Over to ma'am. Hello students. Today we are discussing incomplete dominance. We all know Mendel's law of dominance. But in some cases it does not follow exactly. Phenotypically it does not follow, but genotypically it follows. Now, what is incomplete dominance? Where the dominant gene is not completely dominant on the recessive gene. Let us take one example, dog flower, which is also known as snapdragon flower. Flowers are red and white. Suppose red is dominating character. So we cross red with white. Capital R will be dominant red or homozygous dominant red. So this is red. We cross it with white flower. Small r, small r. Now, what is going to be the result? In F1, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, and capital R, small r. Now, as per law of dominance, they all should look red because one dominant gene is there. But no, in this case, they all will look pink. So, F1 generation is pink. That is between the two. What does it show? That red color is not completely dominating the white color. But then Mendel crossed F1 with each other. So what will be the cross? It will be red and pink. It will look pink, red and white genotype. Now phenotypically it is looking pink. Now when we cross this, then what will be the result? Capital R, then capital R is small r, then small r, capital R, and small r, small r. Now, as per law of dominance of Mendel, these three should look red and this should look white. But only capital R will look red. Small r will look white. And capital R, small r, these both will look pink. So, phenotypic ratio is different from genotypic. In phenotypic, we expected 3:1, which we are not getting because they are showing this color. But genotypic is 1:2:1. So, this is genotypic. So, it holds good at genotypic level but not at phenotypic level. And it is incomplete dominance. Now, if I try to explain why it happened. Now, red flowers have some enzyme which they produce and white flowers also do it. The problem is, or the matter is, that the enzyme produced by red flowers is not completely dominating the enzyme produced by white flower. So it is not able to dominate.
Now this is unmodified, original, whatever enzyme. But the white flower is modified. What does it mean? If character is modified, then three things can happen. First, it will produce less amount of enzyme. Second, it may produce non-functional enzyme. And third, it may not produce enzyme at all. No enzyme. No enzyme. Now, in first case, if it is less enzyme, no problem. The red flower has full enzyme, there is less enzyme, it will dominate. But if it is non-functional or no enzyme, then there will be degree. How much non-functional? How much no enzyme? What is the quantity if it was present? So gradation will come, and that gradation shows the pink color. Now in pink color also there will be gradation, light pink, dark pink, very dark pink. That is because of second and third factor. Because the white flower is not modified. The red flower is not modified, but white flower is modified. So unmodified and modified, this is the matter in this incomplete dominance. I can show you this by demonstration. These are my red flowers, and these are my white flowers. This time I am doing with Rajma seeds, so that children know they can use any material for this work. Now Mendel crossed it. This is our F1 generation. Now in F1 generation, all are going to have one white flower gene, one red, white, red, white, red. Capital R is small r. So they all should have looked pink according to law of dominance, but they should have looked red, but they are looking pink. Now Mendel crossed them. This is F1, all pink flowers. Mendel crossed them, intercrossed them. Then when Mendel is intercrossing them, then what will be the result? One red, then one white, one red, then one red, one white, and both white. So this is our white flower, both white, small r, capital R, red flower, and these two are looking pink, capital R, small r. Otherwise they would have looked red because one dominating gene is there, but because of incomplete dominance they look pink. So ratio is 1:2:1. So that is genotypic ratio. But phenotypic ratio is also same, 1:2:1. So in incomplete dominance, ratio remains the same. But reason is there. So incompleteness is there in dominance. So full dominance is not shown. So this is the meaning of incomplete dominance, and it is considered exception to the Mendel's law. Thank you.